guys, today is a very special video and it is dedicated to Puneet Rajkumar. We call him Apusa. This ride is mostly dedicated to him, a tribute to him. And we started from all guys met at one point and we were about to start. So it's about like more than 50 people were there for the ride. So in respect to Puneet Rajkumar, and a lot of friends were there. So we started by cutting cake like in memory. Like he will be in our hearts forever. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ബാംഗ്ലൂരിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. അവിടെ നിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരു 60 within 60 kilometers there like a road trip to Narayanagiri hill view point near Ramnagara. അപ്പോൾ from where should I start, and I don't know which language I speak in this video because it's full of the Bangalore English, Kannada, other languages are there. So I thought this one it is like a lake or something, but it's a solar point. This is the view from the hill point. So like due to the we were playing the songs of Puneet Rajkumar and they were dancing. So all kudos to the TS biking community and they for arranging this trip, and especially Manoj for bearing 50 people and managing all of them. That's a very good thing. So hope you enjoy the video. Just like we were doing bike rides, mental relaxation, peace. For the peace we were doing that. So it's on weekend and like we started around 5:30. We reached home around 2 o'clock. So it's up and down 120 kilometers. And whenever you are free and you have a short time and you want to go for small rides, you can try this. And it's like a 1 or 2 kilometers semi off-road, and there is a lake there nearby on the way, and you can enjoy that. Ride safe, gear up with all your gears including helmet and guards, all the things. Be safe, and that's the main thing. I think in my ride will start continuing. So hopefully, thanks guys for taking us. And this is the first time. I think it's been a long time I went for a big ride with the group. അപ്പോൾ മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയുന്നതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കുറേ പേര് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്, കുറേ പേര് കന്നഡ, കുറേ പേര് മലയാളം വ്യൂവേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബേഴ്സ്. അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടിയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ കണ്ടതിൽ സന്തോഷം. ഞാൻ അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ ആയിട്ട് വരാം. ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം വീഡിയോസ് ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കുന്നില്ല, നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാം വിഷ്വൽ ട്രീറ്റ് വരിക. ഓക്കെ, സോ കണ്ടിന്യൂ ദ വിഷ്വൽ ട്രീറ്റ്.